also speaking on behalf of my EPP colleague Mairead McGuinness, and both of us would like to congratulate the rapporteur and the shadows on a very good own initiative report which is concise, which is succinct and importantly sticks to the point. I especially welcome paragraph 11 which calls on the Turkish Government to investigate the phenomenon of honour suicides. While I welcome the fact that honour killings are now classified as aggravated circumstances murder in other words, I am concerned that honour killings have been replaced by honour suicides. I welcome that paragraph 11, for example, calls for further research on this, and we need to follow it up vigorously. I voted against paragraph 41. I am not against paternity leave, but as far as I am concerned, all EU countries do not have paternity leave. Therefore, we are not in a position to insist that it happens in Turkey. And last but no means least, I voted against paragraph 45. I am again not against maternity leave and I actively support the Australia report. However, I believe that the FEMM Committee is not in a position to dictate to Turkey on this matter. Thank you, President.
Vielen Dank, Herr Kollege Higgins. Es folgt Frau Kollegin Češková.
Pane předsedo, tato zpráva o perspektivách žen v Turecku se soustřeďuje na všechny důležité aspekty, jsou neodmyslitelně spojeny s lidskými právy, proto jsem ji podpořila. I přes úspěchy, kterých bylo v oblasti